Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Mk2 Aurora spaceplane developed by Dawn Aerospace, an innovative space company with offices in New Zealand and the Netherlands. The Mk2 Aurora is a revolutionary technology designed for transporting cargo into space. It boasts superior characteristics and can reach an altitude of 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface, making it perfect for delivering cargo into Earth's orbit and back. What's more, it uses a liquid hydrogen and oxygen engine, making it one of the most environmentally friendly ways to transport cargo into space. But what sets the Mk2 Aurora apart from other spacecraft is its unique design. It's capable of returning to Earth and making repeated flights, significantly reducing production and maintenance costs. This design also saves on transportation costs to the launch site. Dawn Aerospace has already conducted successful test flights of the Mk2 Aurora spaceplane, and according to the company's founders, they plan to start commercial flights soon. The spaceplane will be used to deliver small satellites, scientific equipment, and other cargo into Earth's orbit. In the future, it may also be used to transport cargo to the Moon and Mars. Dawn Aerospace CEO Stephen Powell said, "The demonstration of reuse during our first flight tests is proof of our core philosophy and confirms that rocket-powered vehicles can be operated similarly to commercial jet aircraft. This fact allows us to quickly conduct tests, but in the future, it will completely change the economics of access to space." So there you have it, folks, the Mk2 Aurora spaceplane, a game-changing technology that could revolutionize the way we access space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.